What's up, guys? We're back. Just got this nice squirrel. Got Larry and Mary out here with us today.
Where do I look? Hi.
Mary's trying to get her first squirrel. Nick's trying to get his 301st. It's a pretty sloppy, rainy day today, but the squirrel should still be moving. Nick did already get one, so hopefully there's more to come. There's just so many squirrels around, so I don't know. There's one right there. We can try and move that way if you want to. You see him moving?
I see the
Mary's an amateur. This is gonna take a while. Yeah, he's right on the ground at the base of that skinny white tree.
Okay. I think I saw something move.
Alright guys, I just saw one run up here. Hopefully the GoPro's on. Try and move up a little bit on him. I think he's in that big shrub tree, the red tree. Hopefully he pops out and gives me a shot. Yeah, he's right at the base of it. They've been really, really jumpy. I think he's moving this way. Right there on the tree. Got him, boys. We got him. Let's go pick him up. I saw him down here by this tree with all the red leaves. I saw him run towards me. Lost him for a second. Saw him try and make his way up this tree here. Perfect. Nice big gray squirrel. Like I was saying, they're finicky. They're sketched out. Which, you know, we're on a golf course, but it doesn't change the fact that they don't like when people are trying to sneak up on them and stuff. So that's awesome. Big gray squirrel. All right, guys, just got another squirrel down. I think I got some pretty good GoPro footage of it. We're just gonna move down this way. The rain's starting to come down now again, so stay tuned, stick with us. We're gonna see if we can get some more down here. There should be a lot more down in this area. Yeah, that one's too far. Can you?
Got him. I really thought I missed him because I saw him crawl back down the log because I closed my eyes. I squeezed the trigger. Oh, I saw it. I'm like, here goes nothing. I squeezed the trigger and my blood was pumping. Everything was pumping. He's so cute.
Nice job.
He's gonna taste good.
First squirrel.
I thought he was further left because when I looked left and I saw a tuft of hair.
Well, they're the worst. because if you kill them and you can't find them, like it's such a pain. They get into the holes, they go under the logs, you just can't, they blend in so good. Your first squirrel. There he is, guys. I can't get a shot. Hopefully he comes back. He moved this way. There he is right there, guys. I see him now. We got him. Here's a squirrel I just got. Took a second to find him, but we got him. We're gonna move back this way. Stay tuned. Third gray squirrel today. We're gonna move back towards where we started. Hopefully we can get at least 1 or 2 more on the way out. But it's been a good hunt so far, so stick with us. All right, guys, we just got done here at the golf course with our squirrel hunt. We got 4 down. We got 3 gray squirrels, 1 red squirrel. It's always a good time coming out here. They're tricky though. They were spook easy, so it was good to get 4. So we're gonna go home now, and I'm gonna skin them out. We're gonna get some fresh squirrel meat. I'm sure Papa Romano's gonna have some idea to cook them up. So
make sure you turn the notification bell on, like, comment, and subscribe.
Wow.